Hey beauties, I'm SheenaJanelle from 5-Star Beauty Bar, and this is 5-Minute Makeup. Now I'm starting this series because a lot of you keep saying, Sheena, I just don't have the time on my hands to do a full face. Well honey, you're in luck because this is for you. We're going to get a 5-star look in under 5 minutes. Are you ready? Let's go. So to pull off an effective 5-minute look, guys, we want to make sure that we have all of our supplies with us. I have a small batch of makeup supplies that I'm using. Rule number 3, I'm going to use a lot of products. So we'll see as the video goes on. Right now I have my Old Faithful Black Brown Ruby Kisses, which I'm using to lightly outline and shade in my eyebrows. We are not doing the most because we're not highlighting today. No, we're not highlighting our brows. That is a beauty sacrifice that we're making in order to achieve 5-minute makeup, so deal with it. I'm coming in now with the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. This is my first time using this, and I think I'm going to do a second review, but so far so good. I'm using it in place of the Becca Poreless Primer, so we'll see how it goes. Our foundation that we're using today is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear in 550cc. I took about a half a minute on each eyebrow, and now I'm trying to get the foundation on as evenly as possible. Again guys, we have 5 minutes, so we want to make sure that we still do a good job on our makeup without having to look rushed, even though we're rushing. Next thing I'm going to come in with is my Tarte concealer, and this actually is a new product for me as well, guys. This is the Shape Tape because I've been on the Born This Way. I've heard a lot of competitive reviews, but we're using Shape Tape today, and we're going to see how this pans out. This is the color Tan Deep Sand, and I am blending it with my NYX Beauty Blender, and I kept it in a small controlled spot under my eyes, guys, because we don't have a lot of time to blend it out, so we're going to keep it very controlled and blend it all out with some Sacha buttercream just to make sure that we don't get any creasing or anything throughout the day. We want to keep a nice flawless look, and because we're not contouring, we're going to just use that Sacha buttercream to do some reverse contouring, just to take the place of one of our other beauty sacrifices. We're not contouring, so that's another beauty sacrifice that we are just throwing away, so deal with it. We're coming in with the MAC Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep, and I'm using the Morphe 504 brush to, I'm using this as a transition color for my eye makeup, and that's one of the ways that we're going to use the product. We're using it as a skin finish for under our eye and our highlighter, as well as a transition color on our lids. So way to, you know, use a product in 2 different ways, and also so that we can get the 5-minute makeup down pat. I'm going to go into the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm just going to pull some of the glitter colors off of the palette. I'll leave the exact name in the description box below, but I'm using a smaller Morphe brush. I believe this is my M506. Yep. And I'm going to, with 1 minute and 27 seconds left, just try to get the rest of our look pulled together. I'm using a Ruby Kisses liner, and this is in jet black, and it's going to also be dual use as a lid liner as well. I'm not going to use a gel liner, but I'm going to use our eyeliner as our lid liner as well, if I'm making any sense. I'm coming in next with some mascara, and another beauty sacrifice that we're making today is falsies. We're not putting on any lashes, so this is a time where we're just going to love on our natural lashes. If we have to put on a few more coats of mascara, we will do so, but we are making a beauty sacrifice with the lashes, so give some love to your natural lashes and just, you know, pump it up with some mascara. We're going back into this palette 35V, and we're using one of the deeper maroon colors to come in with some blush, and also to act as a contour as well. We're using pretty much the same glitter colors, and again guys, I'll leave the exact names in the description box. I'm using some of that for some highlight, just because I want to get as many elements of the makeup process in as possible. For lipstick, I have some NYX Butter Gloss in the color Cinnamon. Actually, it's Madeline Cinnamon I didn't have, but this is the look, guys. I mean, it's a quick 5-minute look. You can't get any better than this. I mean, we're ready for the day. And if you're going to work, honey, this look is definitely for you, because we are so office ready. If you enjoyed our 5-minute makeup video today, guys, give me a thumbs up, honey. Don't think about it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't wait. Subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. That's right, so that you will be the first to know when we give you another 5-star beautiful video. And 5-minute makeup series is on the way. We have more to come just like this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. Again, I'm SheenaJanelle, and this is 5-Star Beauty Bar.